What's up, everyone? I hope you guys are having a great day, enjoying yourselves. It's a beautiful day out in the neighborhood. 56 degrees in New England. To be exact, today I'm going to be doing an unveiling of the Nexpeak 12-volt battery chargers for vehicles, boats, riding mowers, motorcycles, you name it. This actually charge your batteries and stuff like that. So I have a lawnmower, riding mower here that's actually the battery's dying. So I'm gonna actually demonstrate on it and show you guys exactly how trusty this little tool is and how cool it is to recharge your battery and get your battery started as soon as possible. All right, guys, enjoy. All right, guys, this is the riding mower we're talking about. My battery is practically shot from winter months and stuff of that nature. As you can see, I put the key in there, made no sound whatsoever. So that's pretty much the whole battery issue in a nutshell. So battery's dead, so we have to find a way to use this here to power this up and recharge the battery so it could start again. So pretty much the Nexpeak is gonna be plugged to the wall. This is the Nexpeak over there. As you can see, it comes in this mode. So in order for us to use it, pretty much have to undo this. Remind me, my left hand, I am right-handed, so my left hand is horrible. As you can see, it's taking me quite a little bit of time to untangle this. So I'm gonna go ahead and untangle this real quick and plug this into the wall. But before I do so, I'll make sure none of these terminals, the battery terminals, are touching one another as well, because that could create a spark and give me a short. So you want to be careful when you're doing these electrical things and not make sure no positive and negative touches one another. So I'm gonna undo this as well, and that's that. Untangle that. Booyah. So now that both sides has been untangled, you can kind of see the length of it. That's why I had to move the mower by hand up here so it could be close to the outdoor outlet so we can get the ball rolling on this. So what I'm gonna do to make it a little safer is to take this and clip it here. I took the positive and clip it somewhere completely safe. On the back of the negative one where all the plastic is, so that way there's no spark, no nothing happens from that point. And I'm gonna take this, open my outlet. Like I said, my left hand is not my strong hand, so I'm gonna open my outlet here any moment now. Ooh, there we go. So now outlet is open and ready to be plugged in. So now that this is ready to be plugged in, I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in to my outlet and make sure that I'm actually using this the right way. So on this here, this is the positive on the battery. This is the negative on the battery outlet. So I'm gonna take this. Oh, don't mind me, sorry. So I'm gonna take the positive and place it on here, and take the negative and place it on the negative side. And once you get that done, practically right now, I could see the modes here. As you could see, the different calibration that's going on, so it's actually charging the battery as we speak. So that's that now. That's being charged as we speak. If you look at the bottom, I can put my seat down still and still charge the battery. So now we're gonna try to start this. And just like that, I was able to start my mower. Very easy little tool. You can't go wrong with it. Definitely a thumbs up. I'm gonna leave it running a little bit more to charge the battery some more, so I don't have to do this in the future any further. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll also be sure to leave the link of this product in the description also. And if you have any questions, feel free to give me shoot me a question in the comments below as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well. All right guys, enjoy. Peace.